Peace, y'all. I can't fucking take this anymore.
Wait, what? What are you talking about? Jack. No. Hey.
It's just too fucking much, man. I don't know. It's just too fucking hard for me to keep up with all of this shit.
You've been editing these for like by yourself for like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I know, and it's too fucking much is what I'm saying. I can't fucking handle it. Vape's really hitting. I don't know, man. It's just too fucking much for me to handle, and I'm just getting really overwhelmed with having to do all of this by myself, if that makes sense. Like, you know, it'd be really cool if I had somebody else that could just, like, help me host it, or, you know, just another body, and I don't know, man. It would, just another person would be really, really nice.
I can help. Follow me. Alright. Look at this.
Oh my god. Is that 10 ounces of cabbage mince, a quarter cup of green onions cut fine on bias, 12 ounces of firm tofu, drained and baked, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a cup of coconut curry sauce, 1 small red onion fine dice, 4 cloves garlic minced, 2 ounces of ginger minced, 14-ounce coconut milk, 1 tablespoon agave, 2 tablespoons turmeric, salt and pepper, 2 ounces of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a pinch of chili powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I got my nose on it, burned! Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. What's up, whackers? Today, finally, we've got Cody Gardner, the best friend. I've known him for so many years. He's seen me
in high school.
Since you were a freshman in high school. Today we're making coconut curry dumplings with coconut curry sauce or something like that.
Yeah.
I've never made this recipe, but Kogar has, and that's why I've got him here. My shirt's wet as shit because I spilled LaCroix all over it.
I'm covered in fake beer.
We're drinking champagne today to celebrate. I hit 50 subscribers. Why am I not in YouTube Rewind already?
Also, my 21st is on Tuesday.
Also, Cody Gardner's 21st birthday was on Tuesday, and we're celebrating this way. So happy birthday. Hope my shitty cooking show was worth it.
Leave it back anytime.
So anyways, Cody Gardner, show me, what is the first step? What are we going to be doing first?
Alright, right here we have about 30 ounces of cabbage minced, or 6 ounces of mushroom minced. Any mushroom you want, doesn't matter.
Mushroom.
About 3 ounces of shredded carrot. I don't like carrot, it's too fine, it'll wilt as it gets heated. I'd say about a cup and a half of green onion, sliced fine with bias. That's all for the filling. Along with tofu, drained, we will bake it eventually. The sauce consists of half of red onion, 1 full serrano, 1 can of coconut milk, and spices will be listed down below. I'm too lazy to name them all.
Everything, all of the ingredients he just listed and how to make this recipe are going to be down in the description in case our drunk asses don't explain it well enough. There's a much more detailed
Yeah, and while you're down there, smash the fucking subscribe button.
Smash that motherfucking subscribe, bitch. That notification bell. Turn on my notifications to see whenever I post videos because...
I did that the other day when the second cooking out.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See, he subscribed to me. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that motherfucking like button. So, Kogar, what are we doing first? What's the first step in this recipe?
The sauce should be first.
Yeah.
It takes a long ways to reduce, and honestly, it's the most fun part of this. This stuff is mixing shit into a bowl and totally into dumplings, which I meticulously made it for 4 hours today. Did 100 dumpling wrappers by hand, and I want to kill myself, but what's new? Alright, so let's get to it.
Me too, brother. Alright, so you're gonna preheat the oven to...
Anywhere from 375 to 425, I forget.
420. So I'm gonna.
Yeah, let's do 420. Fuck it.
420. All right.
Yeah,
Cool.
the most holy holidays.
Baking sheet. I got that.
Oh, here it goes. I want to kill myself. Fucking stupid. Yeah, oh no! That looks like a long enough sheet to me. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil, or whatever oil you have. Doesn't matter. What is this? Perfect. I didn't mean for it to be on a slant, but it's on a slant, so it fucking works. And then you really just gotta take this, just do this thing. With the olive oil. Alright, first things first, bring it to like a medium high, that's the wrong burner. And just slap down like that's not enough, but like a tablespoon or so, a little more of coconut oil. I like a lot. So now that the coconut oil is most of that's fucking burning. Olive oil is a very, very high smoke point. Let's bring that all the way down. And add half of the finely chopped onion. That's a good sizzle, you know? So you really just want to get these, not like brown, but like toasty, you know? You want to make sure they're like translucent. Too burnt. You don't want any grilled onions, you want like sauteed. Although they are red, they will get golden brown. Fuck! Okay. Fuck! This isn't gonna be, I'll add it later. Put one full serrano pepper, de-seeded and finely chopped. You want to take about 2 bulbs of garlic and mince them. I use this with a microplane. You can just mince it with a knife. Season it with garlic or and ginger. Mix that in. The garlic will cook very quickly, but since there's so much shit in there, it's gonna take a while.
Thank God I actually brought somebody that knows how to cook on this show. It's about time that somebody that watched this actually learned something.
So I have a little green onion. I probably should have added it later, but I don't know what I'm doing. Right now at least. And you really just want to cook it until it's fragrant. Alright, I'm going to do what they call deglazing with some sake. And that's going to add a lot of flavor. You want to keep all that like vegetable fond from the bottom of the pot. We have to boil it.
I'm doing something.
I still want the sake taste in it, so I'm gonna have the coconut milk now. Now some people save the like more solid shit. I don't, because I just think it adds a nice like thickness to the sauce. So mix it all together. Yeah, I know that it looks light now, but it won't be in a second. So this is about half tablespoon of curry powder. It's a little more, but it's very strong, so be careful with that. It can easily overwhelm a dish. That was just chili powder. I'm gonna hit it with some cayenne now. Now the sauce is gonna be very orange, very bright, which is why I like it. I added quite a bit of the serrano, i.e. a full serrano, but I like spice, so a little more chili. Chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Spicy boys.
A little bit of paprika. I like a lot because it adds a lot of depth to a dish. It kind of brings the whole dish together. It's a little touch of coriander. A little unconventional, but I like it.
Nice.
Just far too much nutritional yeast.
Nutritional beast. Nutritional beast mode. We're going beast mode on this recipe. Nutritional beast mode.
And then just a healthy portion of turmeric.
Healthy. That's my favorite ingredient.
So the turmeric is like, it's kind of like cornstarch, where it takes a little bit to get mixed in. But when it is, it's going to turn like a really nice yellow, almost like an orange. I'm going to add more turmeric because this is looking more like an egg soup than anything. Can you hear it quick? I want you to really hear this. I want the viewer to really know what this experience is like. Alright. Also, this isn't in the recipe that I listed below. This is my recipe, so I just kind of add shit whenever I feel like it. That was too much.
What was
that was rice vinegar. I wanted to do like a half tablespoon. That was more like 2 tablespoons. That's fine. It'll cook out. And then mirin. It's a really nice like rice wine vinegar. That was the actual amount I wanted to put in. It'll add some acidity while also bringing some sweetness to it because rice vinegar is naturally very sweet, like sake. I'm just gonna put in like a couple pinches of sesame seeds. Yeah, dude, my favorite fucking anime is Black. Alright, so the sauce is done. It just needs to reduce a little bit. I'm gonna add a little more water to it because it's looking very... it's gonna have a lot of coconut milk, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I like it to be a little more flavorful. Oh yeah, I need the most important thing that goes in any food ever.
Salt, bitch.
You're right. So I'm gonna rock in the oven. Just a whole lot of coconut flakes. Just all of it, really. just add all of it. Just if you have coconut flakes, the portion size is all of it. Just mix it up.
Wow.
All right, so it's time to do the filling. This is when I'm actually gonna do something. That's time for me to work,
This is the
bitch.
easiest part.
Yo, attack, attack, 2008. Ha ha ha.
American Pacific.
It's time to cook. Hey, get out of the shot. It's time to cook.
Alright, let's make this fucking filling, my boy.
All right, so you're gonna want to add into your cabbage. You are going to add your mushroom. So you're gonna just ooh. You're gonna get it all in there because you're gonna get lots of in your filling. You're gonna get it, and then you're gonna carrot. Yeah, carrot. You know, just in there, and then you're gonna. It's like green.
It's green.
Green. You're gonna just like
Mixed already.
Alright, so I have somebody! No, stop flying out! I need more vape! I need more vape!
Oh my
Everybody vaping in this filling! Oh my god, amateur hour, am I right?
Keep
Okay.
the
No, finally,
I'm so confused.
the
Oh,
ginger.
I'm scared.
Add the ginger.
Oh shit. Okay.
Alright, some kind of tofu about 1/4 inch thick. So add the tofu to the sauce. Oh god, no, please. No, this is going afterwards. This is pretty good. If you want some soft tofu, you can put it in there too. That's not a big deal.
I love you.
Incorporate the tofu with the sauce and let it marinate for a hot minute while we do this other thing. Take this pot over here, take the soup transfer. And honestly, this is a lot of sauce, and it's not gonna all go in the dumplings, but we'll try as much tofu as I possibly can in there. Alright, we're just gonna mix this shit together.
It was hot.
Alright, so here's the fun part. The folding of the dumplings.
The dumplings.
Usually it's cornstarch, but I don't have that, so just wet just the outer ring. Take a little bit of filling. Stick it to my fucking hand. Just get it right in there. And just start fucking, these are really shitty. We don't need cornstarch, this is what ruins it. I should have brought my cornstarch. Okay.
My.
Oh, there's too many cooks in the kitchen.
Too many
I'm
cups?
about to.
So we're about to fry some dumplings. Just watch our hands, I guess. All right, so walk me through this, Kogar. What are we doing?
Alright, these are fresh, they're gonna cook very quickly.
Okay.
And drop them in oil. Make sure they're obviously separated, you don't want to drop them in the same fucking area. So just fit as many as you want, as many as you can. I should go around with like 4 to 8. And this just to sear the bottom, and they will tear off when they're ready. Or if you check them, they'll be like minute. They do sear quickly because it is just dough. But these are looking pretty good in my opinion. You want to turn down the heat or turn it completely off if you want. So you don't want the fire to fucking splash back at you.
Yeah.
And it's like halfway up from the thing. Cover it to boil.
Yeah, I'm cooking. Oh, and then turn the heat back on. To what height? Like medium?
High.
High? So yeah, wait until the water's all dissolved. Alright y'all, so this is what your finished product is gonna look like. They're a little slippery from the oil. But yeah.
Water.
So anyways, let's try this shit out. Oh fuck, it's hot, man.
It's pretty in your mouth.
Oh damn. Shit's good, dog. You did a good ass job. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Cody, do you want to shout out your social media and shit like that?
Yeah, my Twitter is Lil Selenite.
Lil Selenite.
Lil Selenite. Instagram is @Codar_CODAR.
I'll have everything in the description if you want to follow him. Thank you so much for coming on, and
Yeah, thank you.
I'm happy I got to bring a real chef on to actually make this a little bit educational. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, you subscribe, like, favorite, and if you do subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications for me so you can see whenever I post videos. I post this drunk cooking show, and I also post little memes here and there. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See y'all later.
Yeehaw.
Peace.